So welcome guys. In this lecture we'll talk about a very important concept, that is the CAP theorem. So we look at the insights of it. So basically CAP theorem is used to explain the non-functional requirements. Explain non-functional requirements and also their relations in distributed system. So this is why CAP theorem is present. So CAP is for consistency, availability, and third one is partition tolerance. Cool guys. So consistency is basically the uniformity of data, that is across all countries. Same data reverts back, changes should be effectively replicate the new data. Availability is, as we previously discussed, is the how much available the device is, how much customers it can serve, and partition tolerance is related to the replication part. Partition tolerance is related to the replication part. So now replication part. So now CAP theorem has an important thing that we need to remember, that it states that it is possible to we can only attain two properties at a time. Two properties at a time. We can attain only two properties at a time, and means of the CAP we can only have two properties at a time, and we need to compromise with one of them. Cool. And also partition tolerance is given priority over consistency and availability. It is because we want that our data is on the priority list. We do not lose any data. There should not be any data miss here. That is why partition tolerance is given priority above consistency and availability. So I'll just draw a quick diagram and give you examples of different DBs. So this is the C, this is the P, and this is the A. Cool. So this is the CA category. Example is SQL Server, Oracle DB, and in this category network problems occurs. Network problems, it belong if we try to achieve consistent and available application. This is the partition and the available category. Sometimes data is inconsistent here. Example is Cassandra, which is a very important DB that's used widely. Last is the CP category. Example MongoDB. So one of the most used databases. So here the drawback is some data is not available. Not available because we have given priority to consistency and partition tolerance. So this diagram, with the help of this diagram, you'll easily remember all the different things related to CAP theorem and different examples. So this is very important. So CAP theorem, we have covered everything, how it helps us to explain the non-functional requirements, and how these two priorities are given prioritized over the third. We need to compromise with a third property. So thank you guys for joining. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.